Hi friends, good morning. Good morning all of you. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay. Then, did you study the difficult words that we discussed in the last class? Did you study? Which are the words? Say to me. Which are the words? Fetch, then rushed, wagged, then hugged. Okay, nice. Then, how many times did you read your textbook? How many times? 1 time? 2 times? Then how many times? 10 times? Very good, very good, very good. My sweeties, my good students. Very good. Then, today we are going to take an activity. Okay, page number 19. Then take the page number 19. All of you please take it. Then take it fast. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Then this is our first activity. Activity 1. Here the activity is Sachin wants to go to some places. He says these to Bruno. Complete what he says. Complete what he says. Here, our Sachin. Sachin, did you remember Sachin? Okay, Sachin wants to go some places. He wants to go somewhere. Okay, then he is very naughty and he has a pet. What is our pet name? What is his pet name? Bruno. Yes. And he and his pet wants to go some places. And Sachin pointing to our Bruno. He wants to go that place. Then how can he say? How can he say he wants to go that place? That we are going to discussing in this chapter. Are you ready? Okay, then open the page number 19. Okay, right. Then look at the first picture. Here there are 4 pictures. Then this is our Bruno, this is our Sachin. Then here given a beautiful picture. Then in this picture we can see some children. Children are playing there. Children are playing there. Then which is that place? Can you guess? Which is that place? Yes. That is a playground. That is a playground. And Sachin wants to go that playground. Then how can say it to his puppy? Bruno, come here. Let's go to the playground. Let's go to the playground. How can say? How can we say? Let's go to the playground. Let's go to the playground. How can we say? Let's go to the playground. Then look at the next picture. Then can you name the place? Do you name the place? Then what is the place? Then look at the picture carefully. Here we can see many flowers, butterflies, plants, a beautiful place. Then what is the name of such places? What is the name of such places? Many plants are there, Many beautiful flowers are there. Different colored flowers are there. Butterflies are there. Birds are there. Plants are there. Then, can you name the place? Yes. What is it name? Yes. This is a garden. This is a garden. Then, how can our Sachin say this to his puppy? How can he say? Let's Bruno, come here. Let's go to the garden. 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 Then look at our third picture. Look at our third picture. What you can see? Yes, Sachin pointing to that place and say to his Bruno, to his pet, to his friend, look Bruno, I want to go that place. What is its name? Do you know the place? In that one, a lot of water. Within it, many flowers. Which flower? Can you name a water flower? Yes, lotus. A lot of lotus there. Then, can you name the place? Do you know which place is that? Yes. Is it a park? Is it a school? No. Then this is a pond. Then Sachin wants to swim. Sachin wants to swim and he wants to go there. Then there is a pond. Then how can we say let's go to the pond. Let's go to the pond. Then look at the last one. Here Sachin wants to go and another place. Then what is the place? Which is the place? Look at the picture carefully. Here we can see two children. They were playing with the seesaw. Then in that place we can see a seesaw. And then one child is sitting in that chair and many other things. Do you know which is this place? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, this is a park. This is a park. Then how can we say to go there? Let's go to the garden? No, let's go to the park. Very good. Well done, my dear little ones. Then once again we are going through the pictures. The first one is a playground. Then Sachin and Bruno wants to go there. Then how can we say let's go to the playground? Let's go to the playground. Then next one, let's let's go to the garden. Let's go to the garden. Then Sachin pointing to a pond and says to his Bruno, let's go to the pond. Let's go to the pond. Then the last one, Sachin says to his friend, let's go to the park. Good, very good. Then children, you please add the correct sentence here. Okay, add the correct sentence here. Okay, fill the blanks. Okay, don't you? Okay, very nice. Then now we are going to recite a poem. Do you like rhymes? I think you studied a lot of rhymes in your lower classes, isn't it? Yes. Then now we are going to recite a rhyme using this activity. Then here we write, they wants to go to the playground, they wants to go to the garden, they wants to go to the pond, and Sachin and Bruno wants to go to the park. Using these words, these sentences, we can going to recite a poem, a rhyme. Okay, then the title of our rhyme is, here I am going to write, listen, my friend Bruno. My friend Bruno. My friend Bruno. That is our rhyme. Okay. Are you ready to listen? Okay. Then listen, all of you. Keep silence. Bruno, Bruno, let us play. Bruno, Bruno, come to the ground. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. Once again. Bruno, Bruno, let us play. Bruno, Bruno, come to the ground. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Wag your tail. Then, well done, friend. Well done, friend. Once again. Bruno, Bruno, let us go. No, let us play. Bruno, Bruno, come to the ground. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. Then, you please join with me. Are you ready? Yes. Then, join with me, okay? Bruno, Bruno, let us play. Bruno, Bruno, let us play. Bruno, Bruno, come to the ground. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. Then, very good. Then, next stanza. Bruno, Bruno, let us go. Bruno, Bruno, come to the garden. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. One more time. Bruno, Bruno, let us go. Bruno, Bruno, come to the garden. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. Do you like it? Okay, one more time. You join with me. Bruno, Bruno, let us go. Bruno, Bruno, come to the garden. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. Then the next line. Bruno, Bruno, let us swim. Let us swim. Bruno, Bruno, come to the pond. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. Sachin called his puppy. Bruno, Bruno, let us swim. You want to swim? Then come with me. Then we are going to that pond. Are you ready? Okay. Sachin called his puppy. Bruno, Bruno, let us swim. Let us swim. Bruno, Bruno, come to the garden. Isn't it? No. Come to the pond. Bruno, Bruno, let us swim. Bruno, Bruno, come to the pond. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. Once again. Bruno, Bruno, let us swim. Bruno, Bruno, come to the pond. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. Thus, like you add more lines to this rhyme. Okay, you got it? Here, you add more lines to the rhyme. How can you add? It's very simple. Just like Bruno, Bruno, let us go. Bruno, Bruno, come to the park. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. This like you choose any other places. Okay, choose any other places. You please add more lines to the rhyme. You got it? Do you understand? Yes, very good. Then, once again, we are going to recite the poem. Recite the rhyme. Okay. Bruno, Bruno, let us play. Bruno, Bruno, come to the ground. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. Bruno, Bruno, let us go. Bruno, Bruno, come to the garden. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. Bruno, Bruno, let us swim. Bruno, Bruno, come to the pond. Bruno, Bruno, wag your tail. Well done, friend. Well done, friend. Okay, children. Then you please do these works. Okay. Firstly, filling the blanks using proper words. Just like this. Okay, that's right. Wipe. Then, firstly, you do this. After, you add more lines to the rhyme. I will give the rhyme. Okay. Then, you add more lines to the rhyme. Then, okay, dear children, we will meet again to the next class. Don't forget to do your homeworks. Okay. Bye.